Okay. So let's give you guys an example of another kind of three-dimensional function. So this thing looks like the drawing of the Mandelbrot set. It's a really crappy drawing.
Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, a bit. And actually it does when you kind of look at them too. So when you go find this on the computer, this thing is generated by taking a number in the complex plane and then doing some kind of process to it.
Is it fractal?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. And usually it's colored. So that color is the third dimension in this case, right?
Okay.
And oftentimes they're colored with kind of varying hues or whatever. But if you see one that's one color, usually this stuff in here will be black, and then this outside will be kind of varying shades of like red or something. And that shading is your third. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That shade actually denotes something about this point in the complex plane, but that's not really particularly here or there. The thing I want you to get is that sometimes the third axis isn't necessarily drawn, right? Sometimes it's kind of shaded on. Another place you see this, you guys know another place they take a two-dimensional map and then
Tube maps. Topographical maps.
Yep.
Have colors.
Yeah, elevation.
yeah, heat maps, elevation map, topographical maps sometimes get colored by elevation. What else? You guys know one more. Really convenient one for the upcoming. Oh yeah, actually 3D printers are a really cool example of this. 3D printers, the third dimension is actually height, right?
Yeah.
But how do they print?
Layer by layer.
Yeah, they print layer by layer. You guys notice that?
Yeah.
What's that doing?
It's taking horizontal.
It's taking horizontal slices, right? What did we call those just a minute ago? Level curves, right? So all a 3D printer does is it takes a little slice, right, a level curve, and it prints out a level curve. And then it goes up a little bit and prints out the next one. And it goes up a little bit and prints out the next one. You guys see that?
Mm-hmm.
So those 3D printed things are super cool examples because you can just see the level curves sit on them. Cool. The other one I was thinking of was political inclination. So when you see one of these maps of the United States and things are colored red, blue, and purple, right? The third dimension on that map is the continuum between blue and red, right? You see that?
Okay.
So keep in mind this third dimension doesn't have to be a physical thing.